Yeah, welcome back, my dudes. It's sadly been raining all morning, even though it doesn't look like it right now. But at least wanted to show you the beach and where I camped, because the campsite's literally just right here. But yeah, I'm gonna make my way into Northland now, towards Whangarei. But yeah, we're gonna make our way further into Northland today. Hopefully escape the rain a little bit more, because it was already pouring the whole morning. Yeah, let's get on the road. It's actually quite nice right now. We apparently are lucky and are in a quite big hole in the cloud. Yeah, we're now at the first stop, the Whangarei Falls. And I'm gonna take the look from above first, and then there's a track that goes around so you get a bottom view as well. Oh, that's already, I know it's gonna look sick. Get the view from the bottom, that's gonna be sick. It's a really big, nice waterfall. That's sick. A beautiful place, and it's pretty much right in the city. That river has such a nice glow to it in that lighting. It's like, for the Lord of the Rings nerds, it kind of looks like the water that's in the Vial of Galadriel. Like it's glowing. It looks so sick. Wow. So beautiful around here. Wow. This waterfall is so sick. It's so massive, holy shit. I think it's one of the tallest ones that I could go this close up to. Holy moly! Wow! So sick. That just looks amazing. Wow. That too. Oh, just beautiful. But yeah, let's get back on the way up. I think at one point there are enough different angles of the same waterfall. still beautiful on the way back as well. Not a big park, but as soon as you go into it, it feels so isolated from the rest, but it's basically right next to the city. That's pretty cool. Did I mention how fucking windy it is today? Like, that's just the low. Oh, there's some really heavy wind blasts today. I was a little bit afraid as well parking under a tree. And the rain clouds are coming in again. But hey, we've made the most out of the sunlight we had. But that doesn't look great. Hey, no, it's even fucking hail. Come on, calm down. Holy moly. Oh, my poor car. Oh, shit. Oh, the poor trash guys. Holy shit. So with that dude, that poor dude. And holy shit, bro, calm down. That's such a nice day. Holy fuck. Dude, that's wild. Past us is the better fitting description. Clouds are pretty amazing right now. Yeah, we've made it to the campsite and it's pretty much right by the beach. So let's check that one out as long as it's still bright. It's beautiful. Especially with the moon out there. What a beautiful area. But let's get ready before that one comes in. So that's where the day ends. And I see you tomorrow when we continue our way further into Northland. Welcome back, my dudes. So I spent way too much time this morning. I had a long call with a friend and then edited one of the videos. So now it turned out to be way later than I wanted to. So I'll pretty much just have a full drive up to the campsite. It's already basically in the far north. So the plan for tomorrow is to hit up the northernmost point and see 90 Mile Beach, stuff from the far north. But right now I'm just glad to enjoy the drive up there because it's gonna be really nice, I think. nice rainbow coming up. Wow, that looks sick. At least one good thing about the rain, it's coming out of nowhere. Another rainbow. Oh, nice. We've made it to the campsite. It's a beautiful location. So I'm just gonna have a relaxed evening. I'll see you tomorrow for getting to the peak of New Zealand.